Hi guys, it's Colin again from GetJamaica.com, and we're here today with another in our Great Jamaican Recipes Capital series where we expose Jamaican recipes to the world. And today we wanted to focus on the authentic Jamaican recipes, and it doesn't get much more authentic than a jerk recipes for Jamaicans. And today we want to look on what actually comprises and what makes jerk really jerk. And that's the jerk rub or the jerk marinade that's used when you're actually putting together your jerk chicken. Now, you have to actually use these ingredients to make your Jamaican jerk rub. You're going to use 4 tablespoons of ground allspice. And when we say ground allspice, that's actually pimentos that are ground and crushed into dust. You've got 1 tablespoon of dried thyme leaves, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon ground red peppers, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and a quarter of teaspoon black pepper. Now we've basically left out the little bit of water that you'd actually have to add to this, but it's a small amount and it depends on actually how much chicken you're actually going to, or meat kind you're actually going to apply this jerk rub to. And you can actually put in your blender just probably, I would say, anywhere from about 5 to 6 tablespoons of water. And then of course you're going to add all the ingredients that we previously mentioned into the blender and blend thoroughly until you get a thick paste. And once you've gotten that thick paste, place that in a plastic container and refrigerate. Now when you're going to prepare any jerk dishes, you're just going to use this paste to rub on the meat and allow it to marinate overnight. And it's actually going to be so thick that it's actually going to be soaked in by the meat, and it probably, when you're ready to prepare, you'll have no marinade or paste to actually remove. Now you can get great authentic Jamaican recipes like this in Jamaican Cooking Made Easy, the 3rd edition. It's Jamaica's largest cookbook that has ever been published, both in hard copy and of course in downloadable copy. And we're inviting you to take a look on the downloadable copy. Now what exactly are you getting? Over 1,000 authentic Jamaican recipes. It's downloadable in minutes, in fact I'd say seconds. Over 20 chapters of Jamaican dishes, over 500 Jamaican cooking tips and hints, 350 term clickable index, and a built-in search function. But you won't just get just regular Jamaican jerk rub recipes. You'll get great dishes like the Ackee and Saltfish, mackerel rundown with green banana, callaloo saltfish with boiled bananas, red pea soup, over 100 styles of preparing jerk chicken, the great tasting jerk chicken pasta, curry mutton, or what is better known as curried goat, oxtail with beans, delicious, jerk pork. You've got soup recipes like manish water. You've got cake recipes like the Jamaican rum cake, drink recipes like the Jamaican June plum drink, and of course to top it off, you've got a great dessert like the mango ice cream. And of course, how much does it cost? Only US dollars $9.99 to download all these Jamaican tasty recipes and to have them at your fingertips. Absolutely brilliant. Now, where do you download that? At www.getjamaica.com is where you can actually download your Jamaican cookbook. Now, once you get to the site, just look for this image, click on it, and you'll be able to get to the sale page, and you can actually begin and download and start cooking up a Jamaican storm. So guys, till next time, I'm inviting you, start cooking the easy way.